Hello, everyone. I'm David Lewis, and this is your automotive sales tip of the week. One of the keys to success in selling cars is making sure that the customers pick the right car. Picking the wrong car will critically limit your rate of success in closing the deal. One of the biggest problems we have in our sales process is that we pre-qualify our customers way too much. What I mean is we ask them so many qualifying questions with the goal of narrowing down the customer's choices that we end up not actually showing them what they might like. So my tip is this. Stop asking so many questions. If you're a single franchise store, all you need to ask is, are they looking for a new or used car? And then if they desire a coupe, sedan, minivan, utility vehicle, or truck. Once they answer those questions, which everyone will, without hesitation or defensive posture, then take them on the lot to the cheapest car in that category or style they're looking for. Tell them that this is the base model, and then shut your mouth. Let the customer tell you if it is too small or just right. If they do not like it, they will tell you. And if they do like it, they will demonstrate that by their body language and their desire to look closer at the car. And now, the key part of this process. Once they have spent some time looking at the different cars, simply ask them if they want to sit in one so they can determine if they like the interior. And if they say yes, which again most will, then ask them, which one would you like to sit in? And now guess who has just selected a car? That is right, the customer. And it is the car they choose, not one based on you narrowing the decision down to a handful of cars. Give it a try. I know you'll have some great results. Always remember that anyone can sell 10 cars per month utilizing the old basic selling skills we were all taught in the past. But who wants to be like everyone else? I could tell you, not me. So be different, be unique, and be inspiring. And your customers will reward you with more sales and higher grosses. Good luck, everyone, and please be safe.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.